hope my knowledge improving about cloud and digital transformation.
This is what I expect. Help for make the transformation on our company. This is what I expect.
We inspire them on what they can do in Azure through understanding what the challenges they see in the videos and translating that into their personal values that they see every day.
Think different.
This is the best way, I think, to implement on the company, because you see the value.
So now I feel confident, which I was lacking the confidence. Now I've got that back, so I can sleep at night now.